Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Data with Divyanka. I hope you checked my all previous videos regarding Power BI and SQL playlist as well as vacancy updates. So let's talk about today's topic. So our today's topic is difference between in and between. So this is frequently asked question in data analyst interview or any SQL developer interview. So let's start. So in and between are two different operators used in SQL for filtering and the querying data from a database. We use in and between operator for filtering our records. Okay, they are used to specify condition that rows must meet in a order to be included in the result set of a query. Okay, so in operator the in operator allow you to compare a value against a list of values or subquery. It means in operator allow you to specify multiple values in where clause. Got it? So what is the syntax of in? So select column name from table name where column name in and put some values. So example is select star from employee. Our table name is employee. So we are filtering the records. So we use where department ID in 1, 2 and 3. So this query retrieve me all employee who belong to departments with ID 1, 2 or 3. Got it? Then move to the between. So between operator in SQL is used to fetch records based on range. Okay, this operator selects all records between a given range. So we use syntax for that. Select column name from table name where column name between value 1 and value 2. So let's check example. Select star from orders. Order is our table name. Then where order date between 2023 1st Jan 2023 and uh, 6 June 2023. Okay, 30 June 2023. So this query retrieve all the orders placed between January 1st 2023 to 30 June 2023. So what is our conclusion? So conclusion is the in operators check if a value matches any of the values in a list, and between operators check the value falls within a specified range. So both operators are useful for filtering data based on specific condition in SQL queries. If your interviewer asks you about difference between in and between operators, so you can give this easy explanation to your interviewer, and check this file into the description. I will add the link so you can download and practice it. Okay, all the best friends. Thanks for watching.